Romeo Juliet Tamil movie summary. Aishwarya, Hasika Motwani, is a flight attendant. Growing up in an orphanage, she believes that marrying into a rich family is the only way she can find happiness in life. After meeting Karthik, Ravi Mohan, on a flight, she assumes he is wealthy and continues to dig for more information on where he lives and what he does for work. Karthik, on the other hand, falls in love with Aishwarya for her charm and beauty. But when she finds out that Karthik is only a gym trainer renting bachelor quarters, she breaks up with him. Although Karthik tries to convince Aishwarya that their relationship can work out even without riches, Aishwarya is insistent on money being the most important factor and humiliates Karthik on a day out where he is meant to prove that he can look after her. A few months later, Aishwarya has managed to get into a relationship with Arjun Vamsi Krishna, a wealthy business mogul, and his family has agreed to their wedding. Karthik comes to her engagement party with a gift and lets her know the next day that he is extremely happy that she's moved on, but her job now is to find him a suitable girl to move on with too, or he'll let Arjun know of their past together. Aishwarya tries to get out of it, but eventually takes the task seriously. After many failed attempts, she connects him with Nisha, Poonam Bajwa. Karthik and Nisha hit it off right away, but Aishwarya finds that she's enjoyed spending time with Karthik again, and they part amicably, promising to hang out again soon. Meanwhile, Aishwarya's wedding is quickly approaching, but she finds herself suffocated by the heavily restricted lifestyle this rich family is forcing on her. One day, she runs into Karthik at a temple, and he tells her that he is on his way home to his village, and that he is getting engaged to Nisha the night before Valentine's Day. Aishwarya's wedding is scheduled to happen in London around the same time, with the flight being the night before Valentine's Day as well. Karthik decides to take Aishwarya to his village with him, and where she meets his family. When they go home, Aishwarya's only found it harder to say goodbye. On the night Aishwarya is supposed to leave, she finally realizes that she doesn't want to be with Arjun or his strict family, and tells him she wants to leave. Arjun tells her that from now on, she is free to live the way she chooses, and that his family won't try and control her anymore. But when Aishwarya still appears hesitant, Arjun firmly questions her to open up. Aishwarya admits she's in love with Karthik still. Crying, she heads to Karthik and Nisha's engagement party, where she confesses her feelings to him but gets rejected harshly. Karthik leaves the party early with Nisha, leaving a distraught Aishwarya behind, but the DJ starts playing another song to start a flash mob and reveal Karthik at the back, where he reveals that his relationship was orchestrated by him and Nisha to make Aishwarya realize her mistake and her love for him. Karthik and Aishwarya finally reunite.